Hello, today I'm going to show you how to lift up a car, a Ford Focus car. First step, support the front wheels with some wedges on the right and on the left side, because we are going to lift up the car on the back side. Now it's time for the car jack. Take a look under your car and on or at the edges there is an extra heavy area like this, and there you're able to lock or connect the car jack. Now place the car jack under this area and pump it up, but only with your hand and a little bit. Then cover it with some rubber, and you are able, or you are ready to lift up the car. Pump it up, baby, pump it up until the back wheel on the left side in this case is unleashed. Pump it, baby, and have a look. The car jack has to move forward under your car. That's important, really important. And there it is, the unleashed car wheel. Good job. Now let's head up to the support jack. Go under your car at the back side and search for a massive construct like this. Yeah, this metal part is good for our supporting time with the support jack. Okay, place the support jack under this area and bring the car down on the support jack, and at the same time use the car jack to support it twice, of course. Now you are able to walk on the car. Yeah, now let's bring the car back on earth. First step, pump up a little bit for extracting the support jack. Now you are ready to let the car down on earth again. Open the valve and gentle bring back the car on the ground again. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.